People's brains are programmed to fall for cuteness that can cause us to overlook some of the more dangerous traits animals have developed to help them survive. Plenty of tiny, fluffy and adorable creatures look harmless, but beware because looks can be deceiving. Here are some of the creatures that you might think cute and beautiful, but they can be dangerously beautiful. The deathstalker is one of the most dangerous species of scorpions. Its venom is a powerful mixture of neurotoxins, with a low lethal dose. While a sting from this scorpion is extraordinarily painful, it normally would not kill a healthy adult human. However, young children, the elderly, or infirm, such as those with a heart condition and those who are allergic, are at much greater risk. Any envenomation runs the risk of anaphylaxis, a potentially life-threatening allergic reaction to the venom. A component of the deathstalker's venom, the peptide chlorotoxin, has shown potential for treating human brain tumors. There has also been some evidence to show that other components of the venom may aid in the regulation of insulin and could be used to treat diabetes. Tiger snake venoms possess potent neurotoxins, coagulants, hemolysins, and myotoxins. Symptoms of a bite include localized pain in foot and neck region, tingling, numbness, and sweating, followed by a fairly rapid onset of breathing difficulties and paralysis. In a study, the mortality rate from untreated bites is reported to be between 40 and 60%. Tiger snakes are a large and highly venomous snake of southern Australia, including its coastal islands and Tasmania. Tiger snakes have highly potent venom and can cause severe envenomation of humans. They are a major cause of snake bites and occasional snakebite deaths in Australia at present. The venom yield is 35-65 mg, while the lethal dose for humans is 3 mg. Pufferfish are generally believed to be the second most poisonous vertebrates in the world, after the golden poison frog. They use tetrodotoxin, a powerful neurotoxin. Pufferfish tetrodotoxin deadens the tongue and lips, and induces dizziness and vomiting, followed by numbness and prickling over the body, rapid heart rate, decreased blood pressure, and muscle paralysis. The toxin paralyzes the diaphragm muscle and stops the person who has ingested it from breathing. People who live longer than 24 hours typically survive, although possibly after a coma lasting several days. In some countries, this fish can be eaten, but it's lethal if not served properly. In September 2012, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources in the Philippines issued a warning not to eat pufferfish after local fishermen died upon consuming pufferfish for dinner. The warning indicated that pufferfish toxin is 100 times more potent than cyanide. The golden poison frog is considered one of the most poisonous animal on the planet. These frogs produce deadly alkaloid batrachotoxins in their skin glands as a defense against predators. To become poisoned, a predator generally must attempt to consume the frog, although this species is so toxic that even touching an individual frog can be dangerous. This extraordinarily lethal poison is very rare, and can lead to paralysis, heart fibrillation, heart failure, and death. The average dose carried will vary between locations and consequent local diet, but the average wild golden poison frog is generally estimated to contain about 1 mg of poison, enough to kill between 10 and 20 humans, or up to 2 African bull elephants. Though it's deadly, golden poison frogs are a very important frog to the local indigenous cultures, such as the Embra and Coffin people in Colombia's rainforest. The frog is the main source of the poison in the darts used by the natives to hunt their food. The Embra people carefully expose the frog to the heat of a fire, and the frog exudes small amounts of poisonous fluid. The tips of arrows and darts are soaked in fluid, and remain deadly for 2 years or longer. Despite its small size, this frog is likely the most poisonous animal on the planet. Human is undoubtedly the most dangerously beautiful type of animal in the planet, both to himself and other animals. Human use and abuse anything and everything,